Hello everyone out there in YouTube land, it's Craig from Flying Wheels. If you haven't ever watched any of my videos before, again, my name is Craig from Flying Wheels. I own a car dealership. If you're not subscribing already, please do me a favor and click subscribe. Hit that bell button down below. That'll give you a notification every time I make a new video. I sell cars. I make money selling cars. My videos aren't just about how to sell cars. My videos are about how to run a business and how to make some money. If you guys want to make some money, click that subscribe button. Let's get started. Okay, now what I do is the obvious: buy low, sell high. I'm going to give you a few tips on how to run your business efficiently and how to make money. You don't have to own a business to make money. I know tomorrow that if I somehow, God forbid, lose my dealer's license and I'm not able to sell cars, I'll still be okay, because my business model is going to be the same whether I'm selling cars, computers, Matchbox cars, whatever. It doesn't matter. It's all the same. It's just whatever it is you're selling is the same idea as what I'm selling, just with a different product. First things first, know your market. Why do I own a car dealership? Because I know cars. I know what cars are worth. I know what cars are worth to sell, what I should buy them for. That's basically it. I know how to run a business too, but forget about running the business part. I buy low and I sell high because I know my market. So take this knowledge and apply it towards whatever your interest is. It doesn't have to be cars. It doesn't have to be motorcycles. It can be whatever you want it to be. If you have an interest that you know about, all you have to do is know your market. Do your research, okay? I got into this years and years ago because I was buying cars for myself as a hobby. I'd buy a car and I'd drive it for 6 months and then I'd sell it for a profit, and then it turned into a business. I'm going to try to use the word product instead of cars. That way it's a relatively universal term for everybody. So I don't need to know what I need to buy my product for. I need to know what I can sell my product for. When I know what I can sell my product for and I know what margin I need, then I know what I need to buy my product for. That's how you run your business and buy your products low and sell them high. The other thing is I don't sell them high. So I keep saying buy low, sell high. I don't sell them high. I try to sell them under market value. There's a market value, and it's the world of the internet age. You can find all the information you need right on the internet. It's a beautiful thing. So all I do is my research. I find out what my product is selling for, and I try to sell it for less than market value. And what is market value? Go online and find out what your products are selling for. Not what they're listed for, what they're actually selling for, because there's a difference. Let's say my product, and I'm going to go from product back to cars to make it relative. A Dodge Viper. I own and buy and sell Dodge Vipers. I go online and I see Dodge Vipers are $40,000 all over the world, all over the country. That doesn't mean they're selling for $40,000. This specific Viper I want might only be selling for $32,000 because no one's buying them at this point of the year. So if they're listed for 40, but they're only selling for 32, I don't want to carry it and list it for 40. I want to sell it and list it at 32 so it sells quickly and I can make my money. So now I know that I can sell that car for 32. Now I need to know, what is my margin? How much money do I need to make to run my business, to pay myself, to cover my costs? That's what I need to make. Once I know that number, let's just say it's $4,000, okay? It costs me $4,000 to run my business and pay for myself. I need to make $4,000. So now I know I need to buy that product, that car, that Dodge Viper at $28,000. to sell it for $32,000 to make my $4,000. Again, if God forbid tomorrow my business ever went under and I lost my dealer's license and I had to get into something else, I'm gonna run this same exact product, this business model on whatever it is. So if it's a car or a computer, I know my market, I do my research, I see what stuff is selling for, I know my margin, and then I know my price to buy. That's how you buy low and sell high, but under market value. I can list all of my products at the same price as everybody else, but then people have to filter through every product at that same price. But people shop by price. So if the first thing they want to see is their best price, they're going to find the one that's under market value. So try to stay under market value, which means you have to buy even lower. Just know your margin, do your research, buy low, sell under market value. That is how you sell a product for profit and make money. All right, quick and simple. There's so much more information than that, but I'm just getting to the point for all of you out there trying to figure out what you want to do with your lives, how you get started, what you should be selling. Find your passion, find your hobby, buy and sell what it is that you know. Get into something that you know that you have an interest in. If you're not interested in it, you're not going to like your job 10 years down the road. If you have an interest in it now, hopefully you'll still have an interest down the road when it's your job and not just a hobby. All right, guys, again, if this video is at all helpful, do me a favor, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up so other people get to see this video. And then also don't forget to hit that bell button, and you can follow me on Instagram at flying_wheels_. See y'all later. Thanks for watching.